Our last question tonight, we have a question from Nicole, and she says, what's the difference with the wild yam cream you can purchase over the counter or on Amazon and Winona's cream?
So what you can purchase over the counter is not prescription strength. So basically it's like almost like a homeopathic dose of medication coming from, the wild yam. So this is something that they're allowed to sell over the counter because it doesn't have pharmacy grade or prescription strength medication in it. So it's going to have a very limited benefit to use because it's something that you're applying that's over the counter. That's the main difference. Whereas the prescriptions that you're getting from Winona, these are doctor prescribed prescription strength hormones and that are bioidentical. So that's the main difference.
Yeah, I kind of call it estrogen in name only. So, there's just enough estrogen in it they can call it an estrogen cream, but not enough estrogen in it that can hurt you or do you much good, so they can sell it without a prescription.
Right.
That's kind of what it comes down to. It's quote the real thing. It's got some estrogen in it, but it's got like a teeny bit. The good news is it's not enough to hurt you. The bad news is it's not enough to help you. So you really need prescription strength estrogen, and anything they can sell you without a prescription isn't prescription strength estrogen.